Hello, buyers and sellers of real estate out there. Listen up. We are in a hyper-dynamic market. I'm going to bring you our first market update of 2023. There's a lot of information you need to find out. So listen up. Let's get started. All right, here we are. We got a month in our books for 2023. It's been kind of a crazy start. We had some insane storms, lots of damage over here in Santa Cruz County, and everybody's kind of getting out of that now. The sun's out, and people are starting to think about what do they want to do with their home, or I need to buy a piece of real estate. All this stuff's happening, and as we get into our peak selling season, what's going on with our market right now? Well, we kind of had a real lull the last 6-7 months. The Fed was very aggressive in rate hike. This kind of curbed the home buying and selling process. It slowed it all down. And right now, what we're seeing is their rates have eased quite a bit, and that's causing or creating buyers to get off the sidelines. So there was a lot of pent up activity. We had volume was down 30-40% from the previous last quarter, year over year. So what does that mean now? Well, that means that all those buyers didn't buy, but they still needed a home or whatever the situation might have been. So here, all of a sudden, we're seeing them jump into the market. Our neighboring county at Santa Clara County, which feeds our Santa Cruz market quite a bit, is typically about 6 months ahead of what happens here. And just this week, we've had, I'm gonna tell you, 70, 80 groups of people through open houses over a weekend through one house. Crazy busy, right? The right property, marketed, set up properly, multiple offers, over list. These things are coming just because there is demand. And that's a sign of our real estate market showing a sign of recovery. And that's where you need to know what's going on. If you're thinking, I'm gonna wait, it's never a good idea to wait. I mean, you wanna invest in real estate when you can. I mean, it's like they don't tell you not to put your money in your 401k till you're 50 years old. You want to start putting money into your retirement as soon as you can. Same thing with real estate. It is your primary residence specifically is like it's your largest asset you're probably going to have for quite a while. So it is something you really don't want to mess around with. We have all the tools here. We're actually going to be setting up a really cool buyer seminar here coming on March 8th. I'll have some more details to come. Our partners over here at Santa Cruz Lending Group and EF Homes, we're going to be doing a really cool presentation to give you all the tools that you need out there, whether you're looking to, how can I afford this house? What down payment do I need? All these different things that you might not be aware of. So it'll be cool. It'll be good to see you and all that stuff. So whether it's for yourself or maybe you've got a child that's just graduated college and they're thinking about home ownership, they may not be on our newsletter, but let them know. Tell them that, hey, Eric's having this seminar. You should go check it out. Maybe they're just they're not quite ready yet, but maybe 2-3 years down the road is a good time. Now it's never too early to learn about home ownership and how to get involved. So reach out to me. I'm a phone call, text, email away. Make it a great day, and we'll talk to you soon.